Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I am Gitanjali Ranjane and I am here to guide you for different investments and bring clarity to your confusion on different options on investments available. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to be notified whenever I am back again with a new video. This video is specially dedicated to the most intelligent, very practical, highly influential generation, the millennial generation. Young, smart, highly educated, their school of thoughts totally differ from previous generations. Their attitude sets them apart. The first job, first paycheck opens the door to a whole new life for these millennials. They want to explore, they want adventures, they want to have latest gadgets. In this phase of life, their goals are definitely not investment because millennials believe in enjoying the present. एक कॉमन ट्रेट जो ये 30 से 35 साल के नौजवानों में पाया जाता है that they don't fear loans. Before they even think about savings, owning a luxury car, having a dream wedding or annual vacations to new destination is a priority to them. Within a few years, they get trapped in debts and EMIs much before actually taking a loan on property. सबसे गजब की बात तो ये है that they see it as a progression in life when you have loans or debts to cater to such expensive lifestyle. Many of them have fallen to the habit of living from one paycheck to another. Reason? iPhone का new model तो जरूरी है. Weekends party is a stress buster. Long weekends outings are a must. Exercise बिना फिटबिट के अधूरी है. बेस्टी का बर्थडे तो स्पेशल सरप्राइज तो बनता है. Big Billion Day sale cannot be missed. iWatch is the new trend. Branded clothes, branded shoes, branded purses. Do you think there is any room for savings? Unexpected crisis and they have nothing to bank upon. LinkedIn Pay, every day I come across at least one post where someone has lost his job and is not only asking the connects to help him find a job, but in many posts people have expressed their inability to pay rents or sustain even their livelihood and are actually asking for financial help. Sad scenario indeed, especially when someone was really earning a good salary pre-COVID. So let's discuss how, where and why should you choose a particular investment. Let's understand what can be an ideal pattern of investment that can really work in your best interest. I would strongly recommend that the very first investment that you plan should be right from your first paycheck and it should be towards creating a retirement fund. I know, आपकी generation retirement planning का टॉपिक इग्नोर करती है. For you, something which is 30 to 35 years away cannot and should not be a priority. पर फिर भी I would strongly recommend कि सबसे पहली planning should be retirement planning. If you don't start it with your first paycheck, believe me, you will probably not be able to start it till you are 40. Analyze for yourself. This is story of many of you who are listening to this video. कि पहला investment should always be in an insurance savings plan. Let me explain you why. Let us assume that your first salary package is 6 lakhs per annum. Ideally, when you start working, 50 to 20% of your salary must go towards this savings plan. So according to this, an investment of 10,000 per month goes towards insurance savings plan. This gives you a life cover of 50 lakhs right from day one, which increases every year by 2 lakhs. So by the time you retire, your cover upgrades up to 2 crores. 50 lakhs cover is almost 10 times your annual income, which according to basic thumb rule of insurance is perfect. यहाँ पर disability benefit, double accident benefit, ये सब complimentary features आपको और सिक्योरिटी भी देते हैं. कोई फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी आ भी गई तो यू हैव प्री अप्रूव्ड लोन. बीइंग प्री सैंक्शन लोन, ये फैसिलिटी बहुत इजीली और मिनिमम पेपर वर्क से अवेल की जा सकती है. ऑल्सो you get 2 crores at retirement, which is 7.75% pre-tax compounded yield. Being tax-free, post-tax yield is 11%, which is fantastic. उसके अलावा you get a life cover of 40 lakhs till your 100th birthday after getting the maturity value. If you start this insurance savings plan just in next 5 years, that means if you delay this investment by 5 years, then the returns that you get would decrease to 1.35 crores. And if you delay it by only 10 years, the returns would reduce to 80 lakhs. That's the magic of compounding. Secondly, 15 to 20% of your salary should go towards health insurance even if you are given corporate cover. It's okay to have a nominal cover of as small as 3 to 5 lakhs. When you are young, hospitalization के chances minimum होते हैं. Within 2 years, your cover may double as a part of no claim bonus while you continue to pay premium for basic sum assured only. Also, you must definitely go for personal accident cover of at least 25 lakhs as it becomes an asset in case of accidents. ये दोनों health insurance के plans would cost you hardly 8 to 10,000 per annum, which is not even 1,000 per month. Thirdly, identify your short-term goals which are 7 to 10 years away. Maybe buying a property or wedding plans or an international dream vacation. Allocate 25% towards this. So if you're earning 6 lakhs per annum, then 12,000 should be invested in large cap mutual funds. This can give you 15 to 20 lakhs in 8 years time. Allocate another 12 to 15% in upgrading your knowledge. Learning should not stop at this age. Investment in career enhancing skills will give you fantastic returns in the long run. इसीलिए इसे इग्नोर मत करो. ग्रेजुअली जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ेगी, आपकी घर में और काम पर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ेंगी एंड दैट विल लीव यू विद नो टाइम टू शार्पन योर स्किल्स. सो वंस यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, dedicate another 10 years to sharpen your skills. So from a CTC of 6 lakhs per annum, 28 to 30,000 per month is well invested in securing your savings via health insurance, securing your income and your retirement through life insurance plan, creating wealth for short-term goals, and also securing your career by spending money or career enhancing skills. 5,000 per month may be deducted towards income tax, EPF, etc. You still have 15,000 to take care of your lifestyle and personal expenses, which is almost 30% of your income, and that's actually a very big amount. But considering the thought process of millennial generation, I have recommended this. Ideal allocation according to Google for lifestyle should not be more than 15%. Of course, पहले कुछ महीने ये सेविंग्स आपको पिंच करेंगी. You may also feel burdened. 6 महीने बाद आप में डिसिप्लिन आने लगेगा, and by the time आपका next promotion होगा, you will be happy with something extra in hand. But wait, here is where you need to be careful, really careful. अगर आपकी सैलरी 7 से 8,000 भी बढ़ जाती है, तो invest 80% of this in SIPs or in PPF. Health insurance, life insurance need not be upgraded further till either you are married and need to add your spouse in your health insurance policy, or you buy a property and with a heavy loan, you will need to upgrade your life cover through term insurance plan or probably another savings plan depending upon your financial liabilities then and any other financial goals that have come up. Ideally, savings की शुरुआत इसी तरह से होनी चाहिए. Most of them start with a combination of term insurance plus mutual funds. Savings plan, personal accident cover, mediclaim, रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग तो पोर्टफोलियो में आता ही नहीं है. Definitely, term insurance will secure your family, but how would you create wealth for retirement? Through mutual funds? Yes, mutual funds में 30-35 सालों तक invested रहने पर you can probably accumulate more wealth. But according to AMFI data, nearly 46% of SIPs are redeemed in first 2 years, and 90% of SIPs are liquidated in 7 years' time. Of course, even you would redeem it while purchasing your first home or for your dream wedding plan. So why not plan and allocate funds for both short-term and long-term financial goals in different baskets? A clear roadmap can work wonders for you. Consider this house of wealth. अगर ये आपने समझ लिया तो you will understand investment pattern. जैसे घर की नींव पक्की होनी चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी है, वैसे ही आपकी फाइनेंशियल जर्नी की नींव भी मजबूत होनी बहुत जरूरी है. इसीलिए यू मस्ट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद गारंटेड एंड सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. ये आर्थिक नींव मजबूत होगी तो इट विल होल्ड यू एंड योर फैमिली स्ट्रांगली. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट कवर, emergency funds equivalent to 3-month expenses in form of liquid funds or FD, a good savings plan which ensures capital guarantee and secures your human life value as well, are the essentials of good foundation. Growth pillars can be strengthened with career enhancing education and a good diversified equity portfolio. You need to take care of foundation and pillars right from beginning. Gradually, as you grow in career, you will need to invest in your own property, maybe your own business, and with increasing risk appetite, you may even consider small cap aggressive funds and even shares. But एक चीज तो है, सब प्लान करने के लिए आपको गूगल या आपके फ्रेंड्स हेल्प नहीं कर सकते. If you are discussing with your friends or relatives, then please analyze, are they financial planners? उनकी नॉलेज भी किसी इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स के आर्टिकल्स या गूगल सर्च से ही आई है, which may really not be adequate. I have always said, don't confuse your internet search with expertise of an advisor. आपका रोड मैप देखने का नजरिया और एक एक्सपर्ट के विजन में बहुत फर्क होता है, और वही गैप अगर आप उससे समझ लो तो इट कैन वर्क वंडरफुल फॉर यू. प्लीज रिमेंबर, व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर योर फ्रेंड or for some other relative may not work for you, because everyone has different liabilities, different priorities and different financial goals. इसीलिए अगर किसी ने टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लस म्यूचुअल फंड कॉम्बिनेशन को प्रमोट किया है तो पहले टेक अ पॉज, रिव्यू इट. इफ इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर यू, डिस्कस विद योर एडवाइजर. Don't be just influenced by your colleagues. So dear friends, do connect with us for your queries or your financial planning. We will surely help you and give you a solution on need-based analysis. Share this video with your friends so that you can help them to review their financial plans. Please do like, comment, share my video and definitely subscribe it. Be safe.
Hello. Thank you for watching. Watch our other informational videos from the right and do subscribe to get latest update from our channel.